If you want to import objects, here's how you can do it. First, go to the File menu. From there, navigate to Import and select Wavefront opening parenthesis .obj. Clicking that will open up the file browser. Now, locate the folder where your object file is stored. In my case, I was already in my Downloads folder. Find the object file you want to import, click on it, and then hit Import. The loading time will vary depending on the complexity of the model and how many vertices it contains. If it's a high-poly model, expect it to take a little longer. Once the model is loaded, you should see it appear in the viewport. If it's too large, you can scale it down by pressing S and moving your mouse to adjust the size. You might need to reposition it as well, instead of deleting the default cube. We'll keep it and use it as a base for our object model. To position the object on top of the cube, select the imported model and press G to grab it. Move it along the Z-axis by pressing G followed by Z, and dragging your mouse until it sits nicely on the cube. Now that the object is placed correctly, we might want to rotate it for a better orientation. Press R to rotate. Press S again and scale it. At this point, we have successfully imported, placed, and adjusted our object file.